but this is time for our special segment, Midcap Spotlight. Vamakshi is focusing on Anup Engineering. It's up around 15% in trade. Vamakshi, what's happening here?
Well, absolutely, Sonal. The stock is surging higher in the trading session today, and a couple of factors for that. The first one and the most important one being that the board is expected to consider a proposal for issue of bonus shares. The meeting is scheduled on March 20th, 2024, and in fact, this is the maiden bonus issue for Anup Engineering. So that is the reason why you're seeing a very sharp surge in the trading session today. But apart from that, they've also announced an acquisition of Midcap Engineering. They will be acquiring the entire stake for the company for almost 33 crores, and in fact this acquisition is expected to get completed by May, and moreover the rationale behind the acquisition that the company has stated is expansion of the company's product portfolio, capacity as well as the geographical spread. But apart from that, over the long term there are a couple of triggers that are lining up for the counter. In fact, in the longer term, the company has targeted to maintain revenue growth of almost 25 to 30% with EBITDA margin at over 20%. This will largely be led by execution pickup, capacity expansion as well as a very strong order pipeline. In fact, in the Q3 con call, the company had mentioned that the inquiry pipeline also remains quite strong at almost 900 crores. In fact, this is for companies' products both in the domestic as well as export market. In fact, focusing on the export market as well, export market share for FY24 is expected to come in at 30% as compared to just 19% in FY23, and this is in fact expected to raise further to almost 40 to 42% in FY25. The working capital cycle for the company has also improved to almost 4.3 times in the third quarter, and over the long term, the management is targeting to moderate it to almost 3 to 3.5 times. So definitely a lot of positive factors lining up for Anup Engineering, the bonus issue being the main one.
Thank you so much for that, Vamakshi. Some good insights coming in there.